we are at St. Reggie's Santa Arrival program which is happening here. It's 4 p.m. right now and we are near the beachfront restaurant which is called Susegado Place. And this is basically the beachfront restaurant and bar. They have done a private setup over here just for the Christmas and this is a Christmas themed decoration. You can look how excited my daughter is, and wow, they are giving nice goodies and stuff for the kids. By the way, this paper that I'm holding is actually the one which they got in the welcome time, which talks about what are your choices as a kid and what did you do this year and what do you want from Santa as a gift. So I think they have to put it in the drop box and then see what surprise you get. By the way, I want to rush to the program. Stay tuned. As I was saying, there was some high tea and refreshments here. We have some drinks like fruit punch, strawberry shake, chocolate shake. They have amazing cakes over here. The cupcakes and candy. And then the best part of Christmas, which I was waiting for, the plum cake. I'm going to try that. Then there's some cucumber, tomato and cheese grill sandwich. Nachos, wow, that's nice. And then there's some smileys for the kids, french fries, and non-veg item too. Hello. There is some burger and vegetable pav, and then we have some sort of snacks, and then tea for the adults. So, here's a snack that is there in the Christmas party. I'm gonna try with the plum cake, which is my favorite. It's very tasty, guys. I haven't had. I'm gonna try it again. Very tasty. Let's try the. Wow, I don't feel like breaking it. It's also very tasty. The choco truffle cupcake. There are nachos. So overall the food is very good. It's not for the namesake they kept the high tea. It's really very tasty. So here we are inside the Christmas party and I'm loving it. There are a lot of amazing freebies. You can already see me wearing. They were here. And then there are a lot of games that to keep us entertained, as you can see. Then there is some sort of another stuff which is there. And this is nice. What do we do here?
Maybe you have to make a balance. One person have to be there.
Okay.
And they have to put it.
Oh,
and you have
that's
to create the balance.
Wow, looks nice. Then we have touch me not. I have it already. Oh, okay. So we have this touch me not challenge here. Let's
come here.
try this. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna. Oh shit! Now I'm gonna do it nice. Yeah, I did a fair job now. Okay, I don't know what's this. Looks like some sort of. I don't know. But yeah, can I try? Okay. Let's try this. Never had my luck on this before. Okay, ready? Wow, not bad. Ah, shit. Okay. Alright. Then there's some hoop shoot over here. And I don't know what's this. What are we supposed to do here? I don't know. Okay. Then I think we have to make some sort of a EXO kind of a game here, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, so there are different sort of games and looks like there's some sort of entertainment live program that's gonna start and we have some refreshments and high tea over here. The Santa is gonna come. Stay tuned.
So good. Hey. Hello, how are you? What's that?
Why did he come in a jet ski? Give me a present. Give me a present. Please, a present. Looks like chocolate. It's chocolate. Chocolate.
Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it doesn't surprise me. Where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit.